Well, 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 looky, looky, looky. It's a box that I see. Yeah. But yeah, this is a box. Spoiler alert, it may contain a box fan. But what box fan? We're going to find out right now. Now this is what I'm talking about. Put the box inside a box. That's lucky for it getting damaged. Alright, it is what it is. Of course the box fell down, but yeah. This here is a Galaxy with the wavy logo. So it's like circa 1988 with a thermostat control. And here's an interesting story. Apparently, what happened, I mean, there was a comment we had on one of the fan forums about the Sears box fan with thermostat control, and how Bo Mitchell got one, and Tor the Fan Man now has one. I've kind of been eyeing these for some time, but they've not been seen in the wild. In fact, last time I saw one actually in the wild was at a Goodwill shop about 15 plus years ago. I didn't get it because at the time, I didn't like fans with the penthouse controls on the top. But they are starting to become rare, and with the Galaxy, or even more rare, the Lasco badged, are becoming more scarce because I don't think they've ever made a whole lot, and whatever were made probably didn't survive. And if you notice, it has the handle right here. Probably yellowed over time, but that's cool. Turn around to the back. It's going to need to be cleaned up a bit. And yeah, it's got a plastic motor. So yeah, had to fix that cord. I think I have a reason why this thing is, but as long as it's not bumping up against the blades, that's fine. And while I'm thinking about it, see if we can find a year on this, if anything. Hold that thought. You can probably barely make it out, but here's the information stamp, and it's stamped 1987-88. So, yeah, about the time that Galaxy introduced the wavy logo and started phasing them out on the grills themselves. So, yeah. Although some still have the block logo, probably because we still had those and all that neat stuff. And here's at the top where it says where it was from. It was from the Lasco Metal Products Incorporated at 300 Confederate Drive, Franklin, Tennessee 37064. Surprisingly, they still had the Lasco plant in Franklin, Tennessee. Not sure if it's at the same location or what, but yeah. And it was sold to the E.H. Tepe Company Incorporated of Kalamazoo, Michigan. Have no clue what that is. Probably another defunct store chain. So yeah. And there's a box that says American made. You don't see that anymore. I mean, yeah, made in the USA with imported parts, but that's just not the same. And I'm gonna have to fix this because the plate's coming off. So yeah. So I guess without further delay, here's Hi. Shaky, shaky. Fortunately, the thermostat not working. I wonder why. It's supposed to cut off right now, but nice. Back to high. OFF smells off. And since I got the kilowatt meter out, and apparently somebody's going to emergency and somebody's going to jail, we're gonna test what the amperage and wattage on this thing is. I mean, it would have been nice if the thermostat worked. I'm gonna gripe about this, so you've been warned. So yeah. So when in doubt, we'll start off on high. .92 amps, 158 watts. Medium, 112 watts, 1.35 amp. Okay, 1.33. And low. About 105, 107 amps, and about 85 watts, 82, so yeah, 85.1, so yeah. So I guess it is running in spec, because I think this motor calls for 2.1. I'll have to double check. And you heard right, there was a startup sound. Here's high. I don't know if there's one on medium, so we'll go And finally, low. Alright guys, I guess it's going to conclude this episode of the unboxing and show and tell of this 1987-88 Galaxy 3746. While I'm kind of disappointed that the thermostat didn't work, at least the rest of the fan works, and that's all that matters. And I can finally say I have one. Although still not really high on my list, but since a couple of my friends have one, I felt I needed one too. If you can figure that out. So I guess I'm going to conclude that. And until next time, whenever that is, I'm Eskie. Thanks for watching. And the comment box is open.